This time, Shintaro is crafting a Meimeizara, various plates, a tool for serving sweets during a tea ceremony. The selection of materials is crucial in a carpenter's work. He primarily uses 3 types of wood. Akita cedar, aged over 250 years. The sacred tree of Danzan Shrine in Nara. Known as Uoshino cedar, with a tradition of 800 years. And a rare wood once managed by the Owari Tokugawa family, called Bisu cypress. These woods are carefully dried for over 50 years.
後に作品になった時に狂いが生じないように。
This time, Shintaro is using Akita cedar, known for its antibacterial properties, to create his piece.
年輪一本一本が1年ですので、木の命を最大限に生かした作品作りを心がけています。
The wood splitting is a crucial step, ensuring the quality of the wood for masame, a critical component of these tools. Depending on how it is split, the age rings differ. When split in this way, the age rings resemble bamboo shoots. And when split at a right angle, it becomes straight grain, masame. Masame is commonly used in crafting many utensils due to its beauty and density, making it resistant to corrosion. To fulfill its role as a tool, carefully selecting straight grain masame is crucial for creating beautiful utensils. At this point, we do not overlook even the slightest distortion in the annual rings or such discolorations.
端と端が出会って重なり合って、そこが正面になりますのでね、途中でほんの少しでもこう木目が曲がってたりすると、合わせた時にですね、木目こうなってこうなったりするわけです。ですからまっすぐに来るように、気取っていかないといけない。作品になった時にその気取りの良し悪しがですね、最後に出てしまうというところでは、一番大事なところだと思います。
Only the head of the family has been allowed to do this for generations.
やはり自分でも木の個性を見極めて、木の持つ魅力を引き出せる木取りができるように学んでいきたいなと思っております。
After the wood splitting, the next step is to plane the thickness. At this stage, if you shave too thin, it becomes easy to bend, but it lacks strength. Conversely, if it's too thick, it will have strength, but won't bend.
曲げられる厚みと強度を保つギリギリのところを削ります。削りの具合が髪の毛1本分でも違うと仕上がりに大きな差があります。
Both pieces of wood have now reached the desired thickness. Shintaro then started shaving the edges of the board. He is shaving the part that will overlap when shaped into a circle.
合わさった時に1枚分の厚みになるように削ってます。
He carefully checks the shaving progress.
触ることによって綺麗な円形に曲がるかどうかを確かめています。
With this, the shaving process is complete. And now it's time for the bending process. Hot water is poured onto the wood. This technique is called yumage, hot water bending. Adding heat softens the wood fibers, making them bendable.
温度にムラがあると割れたりすることがあります。
Then, the entire piece is bent using a tool called the hota. Contrary to common belief, pouring hot water is just a trigger.
お湯で曲げてるように思うんですけれども、あくまでも熱湯をかけるのはきっかけであって、うまく曲がるかどうかは削りの段階で決まっております。
Next, it is soaked in hot water again and bent with a slightly smaller tool. Gradually, it is bent further and further. Finally, the last step. Involves bending it all at once by hand. Ensuring the wood surface is protected by a wooden block and secured with clamps. Afterward, it is dipped once more in hot water to align any minor distortions. And then it's left to dry for 2 to 3 days. One of the techniques used by the master, Meimeizara, is to make grooves using a saw. This is called oritame bending and allows even thick wood to bend.
あと1回引いたら切れるっていう寸前でやめるんですね。薄皮1枚まで。
When light shines through, you can see it is translucent.
こののこめを利用してこのようにグッと曲げていくんですけどね。
Here is a piece created using the oritame technique. You can savor the distinct texture of the wood. Once again, back to work. After completing the finishing touches, Master Meimeizara uses a chisel to create holes and then threads the bark of mountain cherry wood through them. We use the beautiful, rain-colored luster of Yoshino mountain cherry wood from Nara Prefecture. This part becomes the front of the tool, and it's a crucial aspect of the instrument.
最終的にですね、ここの部分でその作品の良し悪しが決まってしまうっていうところもありますのでね。
Closing it adds strength. And this part symbolizes the mountain cherry woods land. Next, Shintaro-san inserts the base. First, he rubs the part where the bottom board will go to apply pressure. Then, he compresses the bottom board with bottom plate. And fitting the two compressed pieces together.
縮んだもの同士を入れることによって 元に戻ろうという力が働いて、しっかり底が入るようになります。
It's not just about sturdiness, there's also a secret to the beauty here.
正面から見て横向きになるように、底入れをします。
Pay attention to the spacing between the annual rings from the center. The width gets narrower as you move away from the center. Checking with a simple instrument. You can see that widening the front and narrowing the back enhances the beauty through perspective. Furthermore, making the body narrower at the top also adds to its beauty.
パッと目で見たときに、一番自然な美しさだと思います。
Once this part is done, Shintaro-san cuts along the lines. He created it with a saw, then uses a small knife. To shape it gradually into petal-like forms.
道具として使いやすいように考えて作っております。
It was simple, with a gorgeous look. We carefully polish it when the shape is complete. First, with a special file.
手に取った時のぬくもりであったり、手触りであったり、器具の道具として大切にしております。
Then, we use natural leaves to polish it further, making it even smoother, resulting in a tool that brings out the best in traditional ceremonies. We don't use anything that has touched the ground. Finally, with the addition of gold leaf decoration, the Meimeizara plate is complete. The petals serve not only as tools to eat black letters, but also enhance the sweets and reflect the spirit of hospitality.
一つ一つの作品にお使いいただく方がいらっしゃるので、喜んでいただけるように気持ちを込めて作っています。
Once the Meimeizara plate is complete, the question is, how to adorn the tea ceremony.
すごくね、素敵なんですよ、やっぱり。お茶の道具というのは、用の美と言いまして、使ってこその、美しさというものがあります。この雰囲気ですと、お菓子も、そして器具の方も、お互いがこう尊重し合う、敬意を表すと言いましょうか。そういう雰囲気はとてもこう感じられると思います。